Welcome back, AVGT community. In this check ride, it's all about the Dreamliners at SFO. This is part two of a two-part series of Dreamliners at San Francisco International Airport. Some of the highlights in this video is Zip Airlines and Japan Airlines. All clips were taken on September 2nd and 3rd of 2023. Just a reminder, our next live stream from SFO is this Saturday, July 20th, 2024 in 4K.
Make sure all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away before we take off.
Sounds like we got our permission to take off. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened, sit back, and enjoy the Dreamliners at SFO. Here at AVGeek Tours, we are not financially compensated by any businesses referenced in our videos, so can you help us out by leaving a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when future videos are released. If you like to help us spread the love of aviation, become a member of the channel. We have many member-only perks, such as behind-the-scenes videos, discounts on merch, and much, much more. You can also help us out with the super thanks. Even the smallest donation will help us continue our mission to find and share the best aviation attraction and locations out there. Don't forget to check out our store as well. Here you'll find goodies such as shirts, hats, and even mouse pads and laptop sleeves that's sure to bring a smile to every AVGeek out there. Be sure to check back periodically as we're always growing and improve our merch. Check us out at shopavgt.com. We also have a discount code going on through August 31st, 2024. Use the promo code AVGeek Tours for an additional 20% off. Every dollar goes right back into the channel.
As we begin our approach, please make sure that all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away.
Well, on that note, it's time for us to stow away our electronics. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at AVGeek Tours for daily photos, as well as our website, avgeektours.com, to see our upcoming trips. The links are in the description below. Join us again next time as we continue our journey. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy spotting.